So day one of this renovation is complete, and I'm about to show you guys the progress and tell you how long it took and everything that we did so far. So it took us like 3 or 4 hours to get everything done. As you can see from this room, everything was cleared out. We still got to remove everything on top, but we didn't bring a ladder, so that will be tomorrow's work. Also, the windows, we took off all the boards that were covering it up. All of these windows will be removed. This entire area will be opened up. And now when we go back inside the house, we took not the tile, the laminate that was on this floor. As you can see, the kitchen cabinets have been completely removed. We still got to remove the piping and the floor down here as well. When we go in this room, we only removed the trash, took the trim off of the windows. Let's go over here. Door is still boarded up. Now we go in this room. We remove the carpet, the padding, the stuff around the windows. Check it out, the vents. Now when we go in this room, also remove the floor, the padding, some trim from the windows was removed as well. Man, this house had layers and layers. Check it out right there. All right, this is the old door as well. And now let me show you the bathroom. This is where we spent the majority of the time. All right, so we are still working on the bathroom, but we are done for today. We removed the bathtub. The toilet was right there, the sink. Look at all that bird nest right there. Removed some of the drywall from the top, also the sides. Uncovered this window, which gave us more light. This window as well. Here's the older equipment. All of this stuff will be removed tomorrow with the floor. The entire area will be lifted. All of this stuff will be removed as well. The only thing that will be left will be the studs and the piping underneath, but everything else, it will be cleaned. All right, so that is pretty much all that we have done today. Took us about 4 hours, me and some helpers. All of this is garbage is released. As you can see, dumpster number 1 is completely full. I do believe we are going to use 2 more dumpsters because we got to remove the floor, and we have this shed full of junk as well. So all of that stuff will be removed. So all of this took us about 4 hours. This is probably the worst part about renovating houses, is having to clean them out, having to get all the nasty stuff off the floors, destroy the old bathrooms. In my opinion, this stuff is the worst. But check out this toilet. Check it out. This thing is nasty. Look at that. And people live like this. All of this was removed. As you can see, dumpster is full. Nasty stuff. But hopefully after the next 2 or 3 days, when everything is gutted, floors all lifted, things will get a lot better. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little video. Stay tuned for day 2, where we do even more demo in this house. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Peace out.